Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert arc shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert arc shape in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu. And we can see here many shapes. Then we find and select the arc shape. Then draw it. Press Shift on our keyboard to draw this shape perfectly. Now we can see we make or draw the arc shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.